What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV Market with an exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is coming from Emoney. Yes, today is actually his birthday, and yeah, we know Emoney, someone who loves Ogene culture, and every year in his favorite way of celebrating his birthday, he always dances with either masquerade and celebrate it in a more cultural way. And today is not different. That's exactly what he's doing. More on today, we'll still give you more update because we definitely know a lot of giveaways will definitely come as he celebrates his birthday. Enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe.
Happy birthday, what an ayes and Who we were buying 20 or what an ayes and